DJ ATV. DJ ATV.
Update for the week. And if you're watching us for the first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJMTV and do not forget to click on the notification bell for more superb video. I am Umaru Latifa.
DJ ATV. DJ ATV.
We should not chair. I will try this when I move to shift more from. We just look at this. Bade kiba kinali. Okay, the video. Video me, on a Oshiomhonle the video. Don't have the video me, you don't go
Let's speak.
I am very surprised that
You want to learn to see
It is already very good. It's already after 8 o'clock, and I did not expect that anybody will still be here. I wanted to come in quietly. Ever vigilant, ever rugged.
We hear you, sir. This mic is very foul.
When I clear for that motor, now me dress come.
Now what I will Press back, please.
Ready for the job.
Yes, sir. We are with you. We believe you.
Don't be with them.
Relax. Relax. No dey touch Rama, abeg. No dey touch Rama, relax. We dey Rama back.
Now your father or my father?
Father.
It's okay.
No emphasize on that topic, abeg.
You people don't know how to talk to security men. See me well.
You see me well.
Okay, so me, my friend, go back. Get back.
May we listen. I don't my face.
You know the listing is. Boom, boom, boom.
Here we go.
Yes, sir.
There is no man born of a woman who can say no. When I became the governor of this state, I wasn't a chairman of anything. I had left the presidency of the NSC. So now I have only one mission. And I'm sure it is our common mission. Yes. Our common vision. Yes. To bring Edo back to the path of sustainable development. Yes. We want to bring back the era of red roof.
Yes.
We want to bring back roads with drainage.
Yes.
We want to bring back those lofty days.
Okay.
We want to return the government of the people by the people. Of the greatest. For 1 minute, I want to remove this. I don't want you to say then I'm me, Adams, Oshiomhonle. I apologize when I saw a number of people around the junction.
Holy Gate.
I said no, at this hour of the night, I don't want to put anybody in danger.
Oh, Marcus Abi.
That is why I did not stop. But I can see people lay ambush in different corners.
Yes.
Yes, sir. And now I have to stop.
That's all.
So I apologize. I refuse to stop at that.
No, you do not need to apologize, sir.
Your security, your welfare, your safety is our collective business. Before ourselves. Yes, sir. But let me give you one promise. I'm going to liaise with our police leaders. And by tomorrow afternoon, after afternoon prayers, around 12. We will. I'm going here. Wait. I am going to address our people.
We have especially our youth. That is what I was trying to tell you.
Don't mention the place, I'll tell them.
Place we'll do in Apana, we'll leave Apana, we'll go to Jetum, we'll go to South Africa, then we'll go to Program. No, now wait now.
All right.
Tomorrow. Hey, Marie Solé. Hey.
From 1 o'clock,
Yeah.
we will take off. The Holy Spirit will direct us.
Oh, thank you.
Where I will address all of you formally.
Also speaking.
I go talk.
Yes, sir.
You go speak. I go talk.
You go here. I will go here. We don't miss you. We don't miss you. Now talk and do. Talk and do. Talk and do. Talk and do.
Remember, we go do Nyaga.
We go do Nyaga.
One snake, we don't chase them out, so we must do Nyaga. If the man is coming to enter the house, so we must
Do Nyaga.
all those who say their position no dey negotiable, they dey want to contact or to Enugu to everywhere, begging for the all of you. When God stand by us, we cannot be afraid of any human being.
Yes, that's
He's coming back in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Yes. Oshiomhonle is a rogue. He's a thief. He carry my pension money. I be one go as a rogue. Go block road. Disgrace him. Nonsense.
Oh.
That they show me Na Buhari. Na so stupid. Oh Yegu. Na experience is the best. Yes. Now what here now will he chop yes. Oh,
Okay.
Pull over.
Okay.
Pull over. Oh, yeah, go pull over. Yes, God. Now remove Oshiomhonle. Let him go home and bury his head.
Yeah.
Fuck shit, man.
Yeah, mama. Power to the people. Obaseki, you are Ward 1.
Yes.
Okay.
He's coming back in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Whether the devil likes it or
not.
It's a godsend.
Amen.
God win.
Amen.
God don't win.
You don't win. Thank you, Baba.
Yeah, God bless us.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
for nothing.
A loser, 700 million. You are a loser. 700 million. You are a loser. EFCC waiting for you. One more time. 700 million. You are a loser. Pastor, you are a loser. It's a iyamu. You are a loser. EFCC waiting for you. Thank you and God bless.
Maseki for governor. He's a iyamu for cake man.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Welcome, sir.
Yeah.
I beg you, go give us your name.
Yeah.
The reason why we just speak today now to know the mind of Edo people concerning the election when they come. Who they feel say he go win?
It's Obaseki. My name is David Alari. Really, the governor we have in this state is the one who want to win. Even though he go back to PDP, is the one who want to win this election.
Why you feel so?
Yes. Why I feel so is this, that it make everything easy for everybody. If you see the teachers, they're not crying again. If you see pensioners, they're not crying again. If you see, look at this place before. If you see this new Benin before, it will block. Look at it now. Everywhere clear, no go slow, nothing. You see? So why I'm telling Obaseki will win it is this. Those people who remove Obaseki from that, say Obaseki is not good for APC, those people put Obaseki for 4 years before. They're supposed to be arrested.
Right.
Why I said they're supposed to be arrested, why they put Obaseki there? They say Obaseki don't have the certificate, he don't have this, don't have this. So you put them for 4 years. But now you come back for the second time, they were making 8 years now. You said it's not having a school certificate again. He's supposed to be arrested.
Now say Obaseki, our governor.
Yes.
He
gets.
He don't see him.
He get them. Okay, I see when they say I see not be in school. Not be many people go. Me even go there I see.
Okay, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
You know the election will take place in Edo State this year?
Yes, sir. Yes.
You know that 14 political parties they contest the election?
Yes, sir, we know.
Out of these 14, now who you feel say go win the election on that day?
Yeah, now Obaseki now. Obaseki. Obaseki the great man.
Why you feel say nah, ain't go win the election?
Because what make me like him, So since when people they rule for Edo State, I never see governor will be like this. Since when this man enter as a governor. So since when this man enter, as a governor, now we can't say Edo State don't can. If you look now, if you dey waka now, you feel waka. Before you see people when they waka, they will took out for their pocket collect money. But if now you see everywhere is very calm for this state. So those kind of people now we need. Not be governor where they make noise. if they work, many things where they do, they go with the see. Now people will be say they not the see. Now then they say what they do not good. I not be APC, but I be PDP. But since where this man enters, since where I see what they do now can know say that they see man will be say if he enter as a governor, you know they make noise. So this kind of people now we need. We don't need person where be say if you enter, you can't they do grab for this state. We don't need that. We need peaceful states.
Okay, wait, so you know you talk something just now. You say you not PDP.
Yes.
Say, but you like what they do. This time when the man there APC, you like him?
Yes, everybody know me for here now.
You like
and they support her, yes.
You like him?
Yes. You don't want to about PDP. Anybody where they do good, we they always support them. Yes. Yes.
Okay. What if on that day of the election, he no can win?
You not get anything where won't stop him.
You not getting one.
No. Now 18 over 18.
What if Edra might?
No, they're not if you use that one. You know why? Because they know say the man na peaceful man.
But what if, for instance, he never come out and the person where APC bring come never come out? Competition and person we not just know at all. No party when we feel say no go carry am, not go carry the day.
No, enough it happen like that because everybody for this state now the man they pull hard for a back.
You mean Obaseki?
I swear to God.
Obaseki.
He already did it here.
You sure say Obaseki never give you something so?
No.
Yes, sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
Because of this man, I named my pikin Godwin. Yes. You know here name where they give him Godwin or I say Obaseki. Now you go the reach. Anywhere where they carry the matter go, nobody go fit defeat him.
Thank you again for the time when you talk to us.
That is we. That is we.
Another way.
Update for the week. And if you're watching us for the first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJN TV and do not forget to click on the notification bell for more superb video. I am Umaru Latifa.
DJN TV. DJN TV.